Hello everybody. A while ago someone sent me some pictures of a plastic bottle which he or she thought is rather difficult to do. Unfortunately, I can't find this message anymore, nor can I find the pictures, but I think I remember this bottle pretty well. So let me do it, and I hope it is what he was looking for. I start with a sphere, a quad ball sphere with 5 subdivisions, and I make it 200 millimeters, apply. Then tap to go out of sub-D mode. And first, I think this bottle was scaled, so I make it 150 here, 125 here, and 75 here. Then I can select this bottom half, delete it, take this middle one, Z key, and bring it down to about here. And then I need the position of this vertex here, sorry, this one. So lists, exposition, control copy, escape, and then I can select all these vertices here with the middle mouse button, and then go to vertex, set position 0, no it's not 0, control V on X, and now this is a straight line. Now we can delete these polygons here, delete them, and in edge mode select these edges and go to perspective and deselect the middle two here and here. Then we can bridge this, but without auto connection, and then I put a single edge in here, Alt C, count of 1, and then we can fill in these polygons, P key. Now go to polygon mode and then control click on boundary, and this is the most critical edge here, especially because of these spiders here, so we need to protect them. And B for bevel, and the easiest way would be the square shape, but I want to make it really round, so I use the round with a round level of 1 and make it about 10 millimeters. That's good. Then we can also adjust this, so vertex, set position, control no, minus 10 on the Y, okay. Now I take this edge here, W key, and move it to about here. And do the same up here, this edge, W key, and move it to here. Okay, now we can select these two polygons, shift up arrow and delete, and we have 8 edges here, and this is a bit strange, so I go to symmetry on Z, select this vertex here, W key, but with action center element, select this edge and bring this into about here. And we do the same up here also, select this W key and move it to here. Now we can get rid of this action center, and in top view I use a circle with 8 edges, control but without symmetry, sorry. Now control left click and make it 30 millimeters, 0 on Z, and here 40. So it is oval a little. And okay. Now I can select this polygon and the bottom one and delete. Copy this, Control copy, Control V, W key, and move it up. And in the side view, I bring this one down to about here, rotate it slightly, like so. Shift C, cut through here, select this row, L key, delete, then W, and move this to about here. Yes. Then we can bridge these. So Shift, double click here and bridge with one segment. Good. Now we have a little problem because we use this round shape and not the square one. But this is easy to fix, so select symmetry on Z first, select this, and go to vertex, align without uniform, OK, and do the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, align, and this is good. Now let's take this one, E key again, W key, and bring this to about here. Maybe rotate it a bit more, like so. Shift C, cut through here, L, delete, W key, and move it up to about here. Then we can do the same as we did on the bottom. So again, bridge. Then we are still on symmetry. So select this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and vertex align, and do the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertex align. Okay, now we just need to, yeah, looks good. Maybe I move this edge up a bit, W key, to here, so we get a nice round shape here. Now we just need to bridge these edges, so bridge, and go up with the number of segments, 3, 4, till we are happy. We can also use the tension a bit too. I make it 110, like so. Good. Now I make the cap, and for that I select these 4 polygons, B for bevel, bevel them in quite a bit around Seneca Menard's perfect circle, and go to polygon, reduce, top view, and basic center selected in Z and X, and I make it a bit bigger but without symmetry, like so. And let's see here, zero this out and move it down just a tiny bit, like so. Then I can B for bevel, bevel this up a little, shift click, bevel it out, shift click, up, and let's see the proportions, up a bit more, like so. And then I can run the quadcap script. The links to these scripts are in the description. and take these 4 polygons, W key, and lift them up a bit, and then I can select an edge in here and another one here, up arrow key, L key, B for bevel, and this time use the square shape, and let's see here, that's good. And now we can shift up arrow to here, M key, call this cap, H to hide, M, call this bottle, U for unhide, and now we need to make the bottom. Now let's see, I make a tube first. Oh, that's rather big. Let's make this 30 millimeters. Yes. Okay. And then I can delete it and select this bottom, edges here, and run Seneca Menard's quick pipe. Shift H, hide the rest, and let's see if we can, should work. So edge, sorry, vertex merge automatic will not work, but fixed, and 12 have merged. Good. Now I can select 2 polys in here, L key, shift up arrow twice and delete. Then select this L key, shift up arrow, Control X, Control V, W key, bring it down, and now U for unhide, and I select these, L, delete, bring this one up, W key, and we could directly connect the vertices, but I want to have a little distance in between, so I bridge it. So select these and bridge, and now we need to bridge these here, bridge, and when I remember well, then this was not flat, so I can select this, L key, B for bevel again, bevel it in on the blue handle and shift click, no, sorry, B for bevel, bevel, L key, B for bevel, bevel it in on the blue handle and up a bit, other way, like so, and then we can Alt C, put 2 edges in here, like so, and yeah, that's about it. And if you're really determined, let's make, then you can select an edge here, make sure we don't have any polygons selected, so select this edge, Alt 1 to convert it to vertices, then Shift O to create an open curve, go to polygon mode, Control X, N for a new mesh, Control V, then we can go to duplicate, radial array, count of 32, something which we can divide by 8, action center, origin, and click in the viewport, and I make it smaller, maybe here, R key, like so. And what I also do is in the properties I go to render curves, start with 5 millimeters. We can adjust this later. Go to top view, R key again, or still, and move this to about here. Yes. Let's see. Quickly, yes, that's probably a bit big. Let's go to 4 millimeters or 3 even, or 3.5. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Back to the model, and here I add a plane, so basic, shift tab, shift click this symbol here, and then bring it down, M, this is our plane, R key, and make it big. Go to the render tab again, and let's go back to the model and just make sure we have assigned all the materials. So this is M, this is the cap, and go to this mesh here, select the bottom here. I'm not sure if the material has been taken over, so this is the bottle. Okay, now let's go back to the render tab, and here we have the plane material, and because I made this quite large, I have to adjust the horizontal and vertical wrap, put it on 50, and then go to plastic, satin finished, take blue for the bottle and black for the cap. Like so. And this environment, go up with the render level to 6 and make it bigger, 888, control enter, and I think this is the bottle as I remember it from the pictures. By the way, if you want to make it transparent, then you have to give it some thickness, and then I think you have to go and watch my tutorial about how to thicken complex geometry. This will not be so easy here. Anyway, let's render it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Take care and have fun modeling with Modo. See you some other time. Bye bye.